Hey everyone, welcome back to another episode of Steve's Tech Vlog. Today I just received this new keyboard and mouse combo from Logitech. This is the MK275 full-size wireless combo. It basically comes in a single box. There was some offer the last 2 days. Actually bought this for about 65 ringgits. That's just over 15 US dollars. And Logitech actually makes very good quality products. The last keyboard and mouse combo that I've invested in, I have used for the last over 8 years without any problems. And let's just have a look at the box itself. So it's a black color keyboard with some accented blue keys for, I think, media controls. Looks like it's got an on-off switch, small wireless USB controller, and a blue color accented mouse. So let's basically unbox this. Okay, got this. Okay, I wish this would open out, but it does not open out. So I've got to like pull this thing out. Let's see. That's the mouse. Good. And that is the keyboard. What else is in the box? Okay, nothing else is in the box. Okay, let's have a look at. So the keyboard itself comes with some instructions. Okay, fairly comfortable keys. Let me see if there is a... Right, so let's see where the wireless controller is. Hopefully there is another package in there. If not... Oh, here we go. So the wireless controller is basically installed here, and this is a small controller, and this will hide away fairly nicely. Almost missed that. On off switch, that's off. On, I think that's basically a num lock. So let's quickly look at the keyboard. When you come in it, basically there are already two AAA batteries already installed with a pull tab to connect the batteries, and basically we open it. So that two AAA batteries, and the last keyboard that I was using, the two AAA batteries for the keyboard, considering I use it quite a lot, lasted me, I'd say over 2-3 years per pair. So I think that this will actually last me quite a lot as well. So there are two fold-up flaps to lift up the keyboard for more comfortable typing. If you don't want it, you can keep it flat. Okay, so let's just pull this thing out. So that will connect the batteries. It's off. I'll just turn it on in a bit. So the keyboard itself, you've got blue color media control keys for media controls, play, pause, mute, volume controls. These are probably browser keys for home, or probably Windows Home. I'm not sure how you can actually configure which apps to use with this, as a power off PC, and a calculator keyboard, a calculator key to basically run the calculator. Full-size keyboards, keys, and it's got dedicated buttons for print screen, scroll lock, and break, as well as a large keypad, full-size arrow keys, which is very nice. Okay, good. Let's have a look at the mouse then. So this looks like a nice mouse. Comes with a AA battery, and there's a place to store the wireless control as well. So I guess if I wanted to, could store the wireless control inside the mouse to transport it. And then right, so I'm not going to use this because I've got my analogue batteries, so I'm going to use my analogue. The mouse, actually the battery lasts less long than the keyboard, so the single AA battery on the mouse on my last combo lasts about a month, 1-2 months on normal usage. This blue color accented area has got a plastic wrap onto it, so I'm just going to remove it. There we go. Okay, that looks nice. Okay, so let me just get rid of all of this, put the batteries aside. Okay, so let's connect this to our computer. That's the wireless controller. So this is the MK275 from Logitech. It's got this nice color accent to the mouse and the keyboard, which looks really nice. The mouse tracking is pretty good, and this is a fairly glossy surface, and the mouse works pretty well. I like the keys a lot, full space. There's an on-off switch as well in front, and I think, if I'm not wrong, which is right, this is actually a splash-proof keyboard. If you see the holes below the keyboard, there's few holes down here. If water gets into the keyboard, it will drain through the holes. So this is quite good for about $15 US. So this is a very short unboxing and quick look at the Logitech keyboard mouse combo MK275. It's good value keyboard. Doesn't have a lot of the bells and whistles of the more expensive models, but definitely a good value keyboard. Alright, see you in the next video.